Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. So this video is a really quick one today, but it's going to be a product review. I've always said that if I buy new products, I'm going to do an open, honest review. It's not a sponsored video at all. Ultimately, when you go and buy a product, we all go online now, look at forums, try and look at reviews. But if there's YouTube videos out there, it's going to give you a bit of a better idea and help you make your mind up whether it's a product for you or not. Now, it doesn't bother me whether people buy this or not. I don't actually care. But I think just getting some feedback from an average angler of what this product does, what the advantages, the disadvantages, I just think that's going to help you. So this product review today is the Preston Innovations Tackle Safe Box. Now, the reason why I purchased this box, and I only purchased it a few weeks ago, and first day out on the bank with this, so I'm going to put it through its paces today, test it out. I have put it in the garden as well, and I've put a hose over it and did a water test, etc. But the reason why I brought this box was purely because I had the Preston Innovations carry-all. And the carry-all was, I knew it wasn't a waterproof bag, but I've had it for about 5 years and it hasn't let me down in the rain until recently. And it was torrential rain, to be fair. And I was fishing a 5-hour match, completely rained all match, and I must have had close to an inch of water in the bottom of a bag. All my gear was soaking wet. It took me absolute days to dry it all out. So I decided to buy myself a waterproof box, and that's what this is basically sold as. It's a tackle safe. It's got a hard lid, but it's supposed to be waterproof, and that is why I brought it. So I've brought the extra large box for most of my terminal tackle, and I've also brought the standard box as well, and that is purely really just to hold my my fishing gear, my clothing, my suit, jacket, my hat, gloves, and also my camera gear when I do videos. So that's what the small one's for, but the big one is really for my terminal tackle. I think most of you would only need this one if you was to look at purchasing this or a different brand of product, but there's loads out there. I think loads of the main brands do these sort of boxes, so it just depends on what brand your tackle gear, what you like. So to start off with, I'm going to put it on my chair because it's easier to see, right? So to start off with, it's like I say, it's a tackle safe. It's got a hard lid. Now, this is what I like about it, really. This is one of the things. It's got a hard lid, so I can stack other things on top without really pushing down on anything that's in there. In terms of the zip, I'm not sure about, because when I actually close this, it does catch as it goes around. So this is brand new. I don't know whether this zip will last long or not, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this review today. Then in probably about 6 months, 12 months, I might just do another update on this box and let you guys let you know what I think, or I might just put comments on this video and pin comments to it. So go back and have a look at the comments. So overhangs the outside of the main box. So when it's raining, the idea is that the rain is just not going to get in. You'd zip it up naturally, and because of that overhang, it's going to stay waterproof. That's the idea. I have put this in my garden, sprinkled water over it with a hose pipe, and it stayed dry. So time will tell when I'm fishing over a longer period, when I'm in matches, etc., and when I've had this probably for a few months, and whether it starts to wear or not. But so far, it does remain waterproof. It's got these two handles, plastic handles. Again, I'm not sure about these. I have seen some forums and some reviews and comments on this, and the people have had problems with these breaking, and they do look very, very flimsy. I'm not sure about them. But again, at the moment, like I say, it's brand new. It's working out fine. I can pick this up. But also, it has these two little sort of... I don't know what these are, if I'm honest with you. They're like little handles here where I can just pick it up like that, but I don't know if that's what they're designed for. It feels like they're there to hook into something. So guys, if you've got this box and you know what these little bits on the side for are, then please do leave a comment on this video and let me know. But if these handles were to break, I can pick it up like that and it won't be a problem. And I think that's actually quite sturdy, these ones on the side. So I've got two options there. Now, there is also another strap as well. Really, really good strap, this one. It's a bit like the I've got the Inception box. It's very, very similar, nice and padded. So again, if I do have problems with these handles, I can just hook this strap on the side. I mean, I can keep it hooked on us all the time if I wish, but at the end of the day, what I found so far, it just gets in the way. I'm carrying this from my car to my peg, I just want to pick it up like that. But ultimately, like I say, these are a little bit flimsy, so if they do break, I can now use the strap if I need it. Or if I am having to walk, 50 yards to my peg, I can just use the strap, put it over my shoulder, and off I go. But like I say, it's a good strap, nice and padded. I do like that. But in terms of the inside, I mean, that's pretty much it really, guys. I mean, it's a solid little box so far. It's got all my gear in here. I've got my spare bait boxes. I've got my pole sock in here, all my bits and bobs that I need, all my bits and terminal tackle, and everything goes in absolutely fine, no problem at all. But guys, this is, like I say, the Preston Innovations, the tackle safe box, the extra large. It gets all my terminal tackle in. Absolutely fine so far. I've done a water test in the garden. It stays dry. All my stuff in there stays dry. So I think that's pretty much all I can say about it really, guys. Like I say, I went and brought the extra large for all my terminal tackle. And I've also got the standard one for my clothing, other bits and bobs that I don't use very often, but it just keeps everything nice and tidy out the way. Sometimes, like today, I haven't got my jacket on, so my jacket is now in this box. I've got my flask in there, got my lunch in there as well, because I've done a pleasure fishing today. I've got my camera equipment, bits and bobs. So like I say, solid little boxes. It's early days, but that is the Preston Innovations safe tackle safe box, extra large and standard. So basically, guys, I mean, this is it. I mean, it's quite a straightforward review today, but a couple of disadvantages. There's this handle. It just feels flimsy. I'm not sure this is going to last. Like I say, I've seen some other reviews and people have said it has broken, but even though I still did go ahead and buy this, only because I've seen other products on the market and I think it's just going to be much similar, if I'm honest. But like I say, you've got these other little, what I think are potentially handles on the sides here. My fingers do go in it. I can pick it up anyway. So even if these do break over time, which I will leave a comment on the video in the future if that happens, so please do go back and have a look. But ultimately, I've got an alternative. These ones on the side here, and I've also got the shoulder strap as well. The second disadvantage is this zip. This zip occasionally catches as it goes round. Is that going to last? I'm not really sure. I mean, it's brand new, so it's probably just a little bit stiff at the moment, and maybe it'll work itself loose and it won't be too bad. But like I say, at the moment, I'm going to keep an eye on this zip. But there's probably a few more positives really than there are disadvantages. Nice and solid lid. I can stack things on top like I've done today. I like that. It's definitely waterproof on my test that I've done at home, putting a hose over it. And I just kept the hose running for about 5 minutes over it and no water got in with that overhang of the lid. It definitely seems to be keeping things dry inside. You've got the shoulder strap, nice and sturdy shoulder strap. But guys, that's it. I mean, it's dead simple. It does the job. I think it's going to hopefully over time it's going to it's going to prove whether it's good enough or not, but so far I'm actually happy with it. But I'll keep an eye on it. I'll let you guys know, so make sure you go and look at the video and keep an eye on the comments and any updates that I give. If you've got this box, please do go and leave a comment, give us some feedback on what you think of it, to let me know, not just me, but it's letting other people know. This is, like I say, a review, so therefore it's going to help other people. But like I say, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, guys, please do go and subscribe to my channel. It's free and it's easy and it only takes 2 seconds. Also, don't forget to drop the video a like. And if you can, just go and leave a comment. Even if you haven't got this box, just leave a comment. Let me know what you think of these reviews, if they are helpful or not. But hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Guys, until next time, tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one.